GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Wilberforce FRIMPONG is a junior scientist from the Brong-Ahafo region of Ghana. From AHAFOMAN Basic School in Goaso, he shows us how to construct a strong paper bridge using only a marker, a ruler, sheets of paper, 2 wooden blocks, and some coins. Now this should be an interesting experiment. Bridges are built on rivers, roads, and more. They carry loads. Bridges also allow vehicles and people to cross from one side to the other. A bridge should be able to support enough weight, otherwise it will collapse and people may get injured.
I'll firstly color one of the sheets of papers with the blue marker to show a river on which a bridge is to be constructed. I'll place the 2 blocks on the blue paper. The 2 blocks will serve as the pillars of the bridge. I'll place them in a distance of 15 centimeters apart. I'll place an unfolded sheet of paper on the 2 blocks to serve as a roadway, and then I'll place as much coins as possible on it. The coins should be placed in the middle of the roadway, not on top of the blocks. It has collapsed. This means this structure is not the strongest.
A bridge must be strong enough to support weights of people and vehicles crossing over.
I will make a corrugated paper. As I'm making it, you see that it will form some series of triangles. Here is it.
Corrugated means to fold back and forth like a handheld fan.
I'll bring back the first structure and then place the corrugated paper on top of the blocks. I'll then place one of the unfolded sheets of paper on the corrugated paper. On this structure, I'll place as much coins as possible. The first structure was not even able to hold just a coin, but this corrugated paper has been able to hold as much coins as put on it.
The unfolded sheet cannot provide an upward force equal to the force of the coin. It cannot also distribute the load to the other side. It will therefore collapse.
This shows that corrugated paper forms the strongest structure. Hence, corrugated roadway utilizes the strength of bridges.
The corrugated paper increases the stiffness of the constructed paper bridge so that it can support enough weight.
When we look at a bridge, we normally see structures or that look like a triangle at the edges of the bridges. So those structures is what makes the bridge strong enough to be able to hold the cars or the trains that travels on those bridges. I'm Edric Frederick, a science teacher of AHAFOMAN Basic School, Goaso.
Also, this technique is used in making boxes for packing fragile items. Take a close look at the middle layer of most boxes. This is why modern chairs are designed in such a way to distribute load to all parts to prevent falling when someone sits on it.
It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz.
Different materials have different support strengths. Like Wilberforce, can you repeat this experiment using the following? Corrugated A4 sheet, corrugated cardboard, corrugated aluminium foil. Which one will be able to support more coins? A. Corrugated A4 sheet. B. Corrugated cardboard. Or C. Corrugated aluminium foil. So now you know how to make a load-bearing bridge from simple materials. Cool, right? You should try this at home. either by yourself or with your friends from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment.
Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.